everyone and welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to cover Preamble to the Indian Constitution. This channel will help you with UGC NET Paper 1 and Paper 2 Social Work, and it is presented by Hiteshi Arora. We are going to do it in detail, so watch till end because you are going to benefit from it a lot. The Preamble to the Indian Constitution. The Preamble to the Indian Constitution is a brief introductory statement that sets out the guiding purpose, principles, and philosophy of the Constitution. Preamble give us an idea about the following. Number 1 is the source of the Constitution, nature of Indian state, a statement of its objectives, and fourth is the date of its adoption. Stated in the preamble, we, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to its all citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constitution Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution. Now, what is the source of the Indian Constitution? We the people of India. This phrase, we the people of India, emphasizes that the Constitution is made by and for the Indian people and not given to them by any outside power. Objectives of Indian states. First is justice, social, economic, political, equality of status and opportunity, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship. Fraternity is brotherhood, assuring the dignity of individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. As originally enacted, the preamble described the state as sovereign democratic republic. In 1976, the 42nd Amendment changed this by adding words socialist and secular to read it as sovereign socialist secular democratic republic. Sovereign means independent authority of the state. India is not subject to the control of any external authority. Republic, it means the head of the state is elected. Socialist, the word socialism means placing means of production and distribution in the hand of public control, that is the government. Secular, the term secular added through 42nd Amendment in the year 1976. This means that state has no official religion and all religion of the country are equal. Democratic. Democracy means rule by the people. The people of the country elect their own representative in India and it is a representative democracy. Date of its adoption is 26th of November 1949. That's all for this video, and if you find it of some value, please like and subscribe and share it with your friends. Press the bell icon so you get the update as soon as I upload the video. Thank you so much.